Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y33s and let me show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is live photo mode, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now when we take a picture we should get 2-in-1 photo and short clip. So let's try to use this by taking a photo. Now let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture. We get access to short info that we have to press and hold to view the dynamic photo. So when we use this, we can see short clip. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.